Ooh, that was an accident.
This week's special episode of On Assignment. My colleague Ahmed Jadala and his team are the first Reuters journalists able to report from Tehran.
The family of Cole Allen says he had a mental health breakdown last summer, and we are working to get the wrongful, but we already know 2 members of the family.
Let's hear the song.
Stupid fucking bitch.
Process of all the things that people feel, like all the things, right? We are in a moment where the President of the United States, he expresses things that many people find offensive, and I'm just wondering.
God!
What just happened?
Ike.
Say kill, and we will. Say die, and our arms fly up and take the last of our romp through these crumbling back streets sums up our
Oh my god.
Come on, dude.
What?
Oh,
my
my
gosh.
god. What the fuck?
What the hell, man? I thought they were gonna hit that GTA.
Oh my god. Oh, they're like not letting them in.
They're like, you
Do
almost
they know each other?
I don't know.
Don't stay too close.
Wow.
I didn't even get that.
I didn't get what they get what happened at first. People I just would be like, why didn't you let me in? That was a big
Wow.
think he's all sweet because all the photos I take.
Oh, you
or videos I post
dumbass!
on Instagram. What is my Instagram for him? D'Artagnan the dog? The dog D'Artagnan? They make him look really sweet.
No freaking way. You're kidding me. Seriously? You're gonna flip me off? What? I got out of your way, dude.
We always have the interview start with the guest.